How to design an advertising poster with ChatGPT. This tutorial shows you how to generate a ready-to-use poster in just a few steps. First, open ChatGPT. Tap the plus icon near the message box. After that, describe your poster idea in detail, including the product, style, colors, and any text you want included. From there, tap the Send button. At this point, wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates your poster design. In the next step, review the result once it appears. Following this, if something's off, reply with what you'd like changed, like the color scheme or text placement. Once done, wait for the updated version to generate. Keep in mind, being specific with details like dimensions, mood, and target audience gives you a much more accurate poster on the first try. Finally, tap the image once you're happy with it. Then tap the download icon to save it to your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you design an advertising poster with ChatGPT, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.